Okay, dear viewers, thank you for joining me. I have Amy's Enchiladas. We're gonna throw them bad boys for, as it says right here. Oop, come on, go. Well, wow. Okay, come on. Focus. There we go. 4 to 5 minutes. We're gonna go for 5. Okay. Kitty, what do you think? What do you think? This gonna be good, Kitty? Do you think it's gonna be delicious? Yum. Ooh, it smells so good. So good. 1 minute in, left, 1:30 left. Yum. Okay, doke. So this is what it looks like on the picture, and this is what we're getting. It smells very delicious. Let's go ahead and cut a little piece, and it smells good. Good. I'll give it 1 thumbs up. I'll give it 1 thumbs up. It's not bad. The sauce is kind of okay. It does only have it is dairy free, gluten free. Amy is trying to keep us healthy, and I definitely say it's worth a try. It's worth a try if you like vegetable black beans, because you get to over 250 grams. It's actually 269 grams and 330 calories. So that's good, I've been told. And I'm gonna give it another try. There's corn in here. Definitely I can taste the healthiness. I can definitely taste the healthiness. I can definitely enjoy it. I will definitely enjoy it. So definitely still a thumbs up though. Still definitely 1 thumbs up. And I'm not a big vegetarian guy, but I guess not bad for vegetarian. So still 1 thumbs up though. Thank you. Have a good day.